Welcome back to Automoto Vibes 07. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most rugged, reliable, and stylish SUVs on the market of the 2025 Toyota Fortuner 4x4. Whether you're looking for a hardcore off-road machine or a luxurious family SUV, this vehicle promises to deliver. So, let's get into the details. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Fortuner is its bold and aggressive stance. Toyota has given it a refreshed front fascia with a larger grille, sharper LED headlamps, and redesigned DRLs that add a modern touch. The sculpted body lines flow seamlessly from front to rear, enhancing its aerodynamic efficiency. The higher ground clearance and rugged body cladding not only make it look tough but also contribute to its exceptional off-road capability. Moving to the side profile, we get new alloy wheels, available in 18-inch or 20-inch variants, which provide a striking look while maintaining durability for rough terrains. The rear is just as impressive, with sleek LED taillights, a sportier bumper, and a roof spoiler for that extra premium touch. Interior. The cabin of the 2025 Fortuner has seen major upgrades in terms of comfort and technology. Toyota has used soft touch materials, premium leather upholstery, and wood grain accents in higher trims, making the interior feel luxurious. The 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making connectivity easier than ever. The 9-speaker JBL premium sound system ensures an immersive audio experience. The dual-zone automatic climate control keeps the cabin comfortable regardless of the weather outside. For passengers, there's ample legroom and headroom, thanks to the Fortuner's well-designed cabin layout. The second-row seats provide reclining options, and the third-row seats, while slightly compact, are still usable for adults on short trips. The power-adjustable driver's seat with memory function ensures that every drive is personalized to perfection. The 2025 Toyota Fortuner comes with two powerful engine options. The first is the 2.8 liters turbo diesel engine, producing 204 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque, paired with either a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission. The second option is the 2.7 liters petrol engine, which delivers 166 horsepower and 245 Nm of torque. Thanks to its 4x4 drivetrain, low-range gearbox, and rear differential lock, this SUV can tackle even the toughest terrains. Toyota has also introduced an improved electronic kinetic dynamic suspension system, EKDSS, ensuring better articulation and control over rocky surfaces. On highways, the Fortuner remains stable and composed, with minimal body roll, thanks to its well-tuned suspension setup. The steering response has been improved, making city driving easier than ever. This is where the Fortuner truly shines. The high ground clearance of 225 mm, combined with a 37-degree approach angle and 29-degree departure angle, allows this beast to climb over obstacles with ease. The Multi-Terrain Select (MTS) system offers various driving modes like mud, sand, rock, and snow, automatically adjusting traction and power delivery. The hill descent control and crawl control further assist in maintaining stability while navigating steep inclines and declines. Toyota has also reinforced the Fortuner's underbody with extra skid plates, ensuring the vehicle remains protected from harsh elements while off-roading. Toyota never compromises on safety, and the 2025 Fortuner 4x4 is no exception. It comes equipped with Toyota's Safety Sense 2.5, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning with steering assist, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert. Additionally, The SUV is packed with 7 airbags, ABS, EBD, traction control, vehicle stability control, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring complete protection for occupants. For an SUV of this size and power, the Fortuner delivers impressive fuel efficiency. The diesel variant offers around 12 to 14 km/L in mixed driving conditions, while the petrol version gives approximately 9 to 11 km/L. The 80 liters fuel tank ensures long-distance travel without frequent refueling. Additionally, the power tailgate, foldable third-row seats, and multiple storage compartments add to its practicality, making it an ideal choice for families and adventure seekers alike. The 2025 Toyota Fortuner is available in multiple trims, with prices starting at $50,000 for the base model and going up to $65,000 for the fully loaded GR Sport variant. The GRS version offers additional performance tuning, sportier aesthetics, and upgraded suspension, making it the ultimate choice for enthusiasts. So, should you buy the 2025 Toyota Fortuner 4x4? Absolutely. If you need a tough, reliable, and stylish SUV that excels in both off-road adventures and daily driving, the Fortuner is a top contender. With its powerful engine, high-tech features, premium interior, and unbeatable durability, this SUV is worth every penny. What do you think about the new Fortuner? Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Automotive Vibes 07 for more exciting car reviews. See you in the next video.